All right, perfect, everybody. Thanks so much for tuning in on our overview for tonight. We're going to have an amazing time. If you're watching in from YouTube, just bear with us for a quick second while we go ahead and get it loaded up into our presentation app and we go ahead and get our presentation started. So, again, just welcome everybody. You're a little bit early, and that's perfectly okay with me. If you're on Zoom, go ahead and just drop down in the comment section, where you're tuning in from. We'd love to hear from you, and I'll introduce myself here momentarily. All right, we're going to be getting started here momentarily. Thanks so much for tuning on in. Man, you could be doing anything, but you decided to go ahead and check us out tonight. So, I just really appreciate you. Um, we're going to be getting started here momentarily. Man, we got so much things to talk about. Um, if you are looking for, just that perfect opportunity, if you're looking for something that can just, change your family tree, something that, is maybe a little bit out of the ordinary, but is something that you can still do from home, listen, you're definitely in the right place at the right time. So we're getting started here in less than 60 seconds. All right, perfect. All right. All right, so we are officially live on Zoom. Everybody, welcome, welcome, welcome. It is time to get started for tonight's overview. I'm really excited to be able to share this information with you. The same information that literally changed my life just about 9 years ago. You're going to hear it now. You're going to be able to see exactly what I saw and see if this is something that makes sense for you. It's going to help you to be able to build a second income without a second job. It's going to be able to help you build that generational wealth that everybody's always talking about, but nobody really has a plan to actually do. It's going to help transform your family tree. Okay, we're going to give you the blueprint for success without all this stress and give you a proven game plan, all right, for you to take advantage of an unprecedented opportunity here in the world of fintech so that you can level the playing field in this unpredictable economy. So I just want to thank everybody for hopping on in. Make sure you invite somebody that, has maybe been talking about, hey, I want to start a business, or hey, you know what? I want to be able to move into my own home next year. I want to have experience home ownership. I'm tired of renting. I'm tired of throwing away money, just giving it to the landlord, help putting their kids through school right, and not having any equity built up for myself and for my family. So, we're going to go ahead and get started here in just a few moments. I'm just super excited to have everybody coming on in. And as you come in, go ahead and put in the chat where you're tuning in from. Let's see everybody from all across the nation. Go ahead and see where you're coming in from so we can give you a shout out here. All right. We're going to start it here in 60 seconds. So you still have plenty of time to go ahead and get a loved one, someone you care about on the line. I see Ashley Dorsey checking in. She says Tulsa, Oklahoma is where it's at. We've got more people on the line from Oklahoma. Is that what it is? All right, we'll see. All right, Jamie chiming in from Arizona. All right, so Arizona wants to battle here for a second here. All right, Zane tapping in from Georgia. Okay, GA in the building. All right. Thanks so much for getting on. Is that Tommy Hogan? Okay. He says, I'm tapping in from Washington, D.C. All right. Welcome, Tommy. Welcome, welcome. All right. And then we also have Wani Johnson from St. Louis, Missouri. Eric from South Carolina. Shout out to you, Mr. Huntley. All right. Well, listen, we have a full house. It's looking pretty nice in here. So let's go ahead and get started with tonight's Novae overview. Novae just means new beginning. And that's exactly what we intend to provide for you. a new beginning for your finances, a fresh start on your whole outlook on how you can make income, how you can build this up, have a second job without having a second income, build generational wealth, do something different for your family's sake. Build generational wealth. We keep talking about generational wealth, but who actually has a plan to actually go out here and get that? Well, Novae has it in store for you. This is the same company that changed my life, and you're going to see exactly the game plan that's even better now than it was when I first got started, and it's going to help you to be able to transform and change your life as well. So let's go ahead and get started right on in here. But first, we have to understand, what is fintech? What does this all mean?
If you've ever paid for something with your phone, transferred money using an app, or checked your bank statement online, then you're already part of a multi-billion-dollar industry. It's called fintech, and it's changing economies around the world. Fintech is short for financial technology. Seems simple, right? Well, the term fintech includes a huge range of products, technologies, and business models that are changing the financial services industry. It refers to everything from cashless payments to crowdfunding platforms to robo-advisors to virtual currencies. So every time you donate to someone's Kickstarter campaign, that's fintech. Or if you transfer money to someone using Venmo, that's also fintech. And that's just the beginning. Here at a major fintech conference in Amsterdam, hundreds of companies are trying to disrupt the banking and finance industries by changing the way we pay and borrow money.
That's it, everybody. You already know what fintech is. If you ever transfer money using your phone, if you ever did your taxes online, if you even shop for a new house online, that's all fintech. But here's something that you may not know, is how to actually get paid from fintech. Now, that just means financial technology. It means you can help others and get paid up front without charging up front. When I first heard that, it blew my mind. I was like, how can we get involved with something like that? So you talk about debt resolution, lending, funding, financing, savings, investments, taxes, and more. Think about it. You don't really pay anything up front for these services, but obviously somebody's getting paid to be able to provide these services to you. So by partnering up with Novae, you'll be able to dive into the fintech industry, get paid up front without having to charge people up front, on top of many other products and services that we're going to dive into. But I want you to think about this for a second, because it's important to win before you begin. Somebody give me that in the chat. Say, win before you begin. All right. So if we're in an industry where 1 out of 4 startups that go on to become billion-dollar companies are fintech, then you've already won before you begun. All right. So you want to be smart before you go into a certain industry or start a certain endeavor, and make sure that the ending looks sweet. And here at Novae, we're headed to that billion-dollar valuation every single day. Now, fintech is in high demand. The average American's monthly income, we're looking at $4,600, rent $1,700, vehicle $560, utilities $460, and this is just the national average. It may be higher or lower in your area depending on, your taste of lifestyle, right? But this is the average American's financial reality. They have $1,800 left after they pay these 3 things. But there's one thing that we have that everybody pays that's not on this list. That's it. Taxes. All right. Taxes is such a weird word. People, they love getting a tax refund. They're happy around tax season, but any other time is such a cringe word, right? Well, taxes take 1/3 of your income. You're taxed when you make money. You're taxed when you buy something, when you spend money. So taxes take an additional $1,300 of your money, leaving you with $500. And most people still don't have an emergency fund. Listen, this is scary. All right. So millions of people are actually striving for the American dream. Now, out of the people that you know, how many people are settling for a credit score that's less than 750? Okay, a lot of people are in the fives. Actually, we know about 43 million people have a 599 or less credit score, right? How many people are starting or running a business? We realized that during the pandemic, there was 400,000 new businesses started every month because people are actually scrambling to actually get that business going. right? Renters that want to buy soon. People that are shopping for a car or a large purchase. People are struggling with credit card debt. Do you know any people like this? Just put a one in the chat if you know somebody like this out of any one of these things. Just drop a one down in there. Now, people that are paying student loans or medical bills, real estate agents or investors, filing taxes every year, or somebody that's simply looking for an extra income because now you get to be the solution. Everybody wants to be the solution. Everybody wants to be the plug. Introducing the new fintech solution, Novae. Okay, Novae. We are the number one fintech direct sales company in the country. How we do it? Well, we served over 100,000 people and we have an A plus rating with the Better Business Bureau. Try to beat that, right? So you're looking right now at our amazing leadership, Mr. Rico McDaniel McCambry, MBA. He's a president and CEO. He writes for Forbes. He's on the National Small Business Association Leadership Council, which just basically means he helps to design some of these laws that benefit business owners and entrepreneurs. Okay, then we have Miss Shanae McCambry, Chief Operating Officer. She's on the International Association of Women. She's the creator of Women That Win, which is a phenomenal movement for the ladies out there. Then we have Mr. Haziq Ali, the Chief Marketing Officer. He's featured on TED Talks, 60 Minutes. He's a host of Good Morning Millionaire, where he serves thousands of entrepreneurs all across the country. This helped us reach the Inc. 5000 list. The Inc. 5000, y'all, is a list of the fastest growing companies in America. All right. And we've hit that list 3 years in a row. Again, you want to win before you begin. And we're around here, a bunch of winners. Even got a shout out here from Mr. Damon.
What's up? It's the Shark here, Damon John, and I want to congratulate my
Yeah.
fellow Sharks, Rico, Haziq, Shanae, and all the affiliates nationwide. And I want to tell you congratulations for Novae and for making the Inc. 5000 as one of the fastest growing companies in America out of more than 7 million. In fact, you are just getting started. So I want to make sure that I congratulate you because that's what I call display of power. Be very proud of your accomplishments. Many more to come. Thank you for being fellow Sharks. Thank you for testing yourself. And this is only the beginning. All the best. Peace.
Wow, y'all. I think the biggest thing that he said, hey, congratulations for testing yourself. See, a lot of people were just complacent with living life. When's the last time you really reflected on it and say, you know what? I haven't really done anything major with my life. I haven't changed anybody else's life. I'm just in here. I'm working. I wake up. I will go to work. I come home. I barely have enough time to live in the house that I'm paying for. I barely have enough time to drive in the car and enjoy traveling and the things in the vehicle that I'm paying monthly, right? How many people just feel like your life is passing you by because you haven't tested yourself? This is an excellent opportunity to be able to get in here, change people's lives, and test yourself. And guess what? It costs less than $200 to get started with the movement. $200, that's it. And the monthly fee, listen, it's $49 a month as the minimum, but we have something called 5 and free. We waive your monthly fee by just getting 5 people to say yes to wanting better credit or yes to wanting more income. 5 people right now that need both, right? But then I also want you to see these amazing events that we host all around the country. So whether you start off on the basic or whether you come in here as a pro member, and I'll show you more about that in a little bit, but you'll be able to join a family, a movement of positive entrepreneurs that's all over this country that's making a better life for themselves as you pick up amazing skills in sales, personal growth, self-development, branding yourself, customer acquisition, and you can take all these skills and bring it to whatever other business that you have. All right. So I think this is an amazing opportunity. You win by default. But let's tackle these 5 financial goals real quick to solve this financial crisis. Okay. So first, you want to visualize how your finances look in the next 5 years. What's your goal? How is your money? How's your income? And how's your spending? What does it look like on an annual basis here in the next 5 years? Because I guarantee you one thing, millionaire told me, said, Jerry, if you don't know where you're going to be in 5 years, you're already there. That hit me like a ton of bricks because vision is the best way to plan your future. So we got to understand that first. Then we want to eliminate debt as fast as possible. We want to reduce taxes and unnecessary expenses. We want to build your credit score to 750 plus. All right. And then we want to find ways to generate extra income. Don't let this one go over your head. Okay. You can do all the other four things and be really great at saving money and getting your expenses this small right here. But when you generate extra income, there's no limit to how much you can make. All right, so let's get right on into it. Eliminating debt is key. Average total debt per household in America, $22,000. Wow. Wow, right? Somebody right now is looking at that and saying, "Hey, that's me." Don't say it too loud because that's me, right? Ain't nothing to be ashamed of if you're able to manage it. But let's look at this here because the total credit card balance in quarter three, 2023 was $1 trillion. Wow. All right, that's a million millions. Okay. So you gotta think about this is saying, hey, listen, how am I able to be able to get out of credit card debt? If you're more than $7,500 in debt, you ain't got to say nothing, but I want to introduce you to Novae Debt Help. You get one low monthly payment. Imagine this, it's 50% lower than what you're paying now. Imagine helping somebody out who has $80,000 in credit card debt, like the last person I talked to. And they said, hey, look, I'm paying thousands of dollars in just interest alone every month. And now I'm able to get them down to about $500 a month, saving 500 bucks a month. Not only that, but getting them out of that high compound interest. And after 6 months, helping them qualify to just pay off that card and all the other enrolled accounts. This is game changing, helping them rapidly increase their credit score by lowering the debt and credit utilization is amazing. But the biggest impact that I'm able to have and you're able to have once you sign up for this or you help somebody else sign up for this is just knowing you're helping them being able to finally achieve financial peace of mind and sleep better at night. Because listen, debt is really taking some people out of here. It's ending marriages, it's ending businesses, right? And we want to be able to elevate and go to the next level. So let's get the debt out of the way. Let's eliminate debt. So if you need help with eliminating debt, just get back with a person and say, hey, look, sign me up for a free consultation with that debt help. I want to see what that's about. Let's talk about these taxes. All right. So a lot of people are afraid of this word. I'm not afraid of this word because I'm an entrepreneur and I use taxes to my benefit. So I make money off taxes. Let me show you how. So you are able to maximize your refund or lower your tax liability when you know how to do this properly. It's an estimated 3 to 4 billion in refunds. They go unclaimed every year. That just blew my mind. People are leaving money on the table. 60 to 80% of tax refunds are going to underserved communities. But how are you going to be able to maximize the refund that are going to these underserved communities if the tax code is 7,000 pages thick? People are here just to do a job. They take all your W-2s, right? They send them down the road. They don't care if they maximize it or not, but not here with Novae and taxable. Okay, so we partnered up with an amazing company. Okay, certified tax professionals, free tax estimate up to 7K instant advance. They're actually a certified IRS tax hub for innovation. So we are working with software and fintech to help maximize your taxes, and we're doing it the right way. It's even perfect for tax business owners. So you're able to now send some of your customers just through your Novae affiliate link, especially if you're overworked. Okay, because you talk to a tax professional during tax season, you can't even get them on the phone, right? But listen, this is also one of the top three most profitable industries in the country. Remember, I said you want to win before you begin. So now you're with one of the fastest growing companies in America. You're able to dive into one of the top three most profitable businesses in America. And you're a part of the fintech industry, which one out of four of these companies go to $1 billion. It's a perfect storm. All that's missing is you. Okay, but you want to be able to make money off taxes. Now let's dive into credit really quickly because we have two fintech solutions with building credit. Okay, somebody put the number 2 in the comment section if you're still with me. Because we have two different ways for you to build your credit up. One's called Credit Likes, exclusive partnership here. Monthly disputes are generated for you. All right. That means every month we're sending out disputes on your behalf. We even have a 6 month risk-free guarantee that just says, hey, if we don't do what we say we're going to do and get a deletion happening for you, we'll give you all your money back. No problem. All right. We don't even have pushback. Hey, yep, you're right. I don't see no deletions. Nothing's happening here. Here's your money back. Disputes are mailed for you, so you save time. And guess what? The price is really good. It's only $239 and then $89 a month. Come on now. I've seen people pay thousands of dollars up front and not get no guaranteed results. Okay. Now let's talk about Novae Disputes Manager. This right here is our fintech solution that actually generates the disputes for you using AI technology. It's easy to use, y'all. Don't think, oh, it's techno. I can't get into it. I'm not good with computers. All you do is point and click a few times. It generates the letters for you. You print them out. You put them in the mailbox on your way to work, okay, or on your way home, okay, and you save money because it's only 139 and then 49 bucks a month here. All right. Amazing solution. They both work. So don't try to say, which one works, Jerry? I just don't know. They both work. It just depends on, do you want to have more input in it or are you going to let us do it all for you? All right. So Credit Likes will do it all for you there. Both of them include credit monitoring, so online budgeting tool, credit building resources. You get your 3 monthly bureau reports. Every month, you see everything that's on your credit report without having to pay any additional fees. It's all included. We even throw in a $1 million fraud insurance policy just to make sure that no one takes advantage of your brand new score. You want to get a new score and keep it, right? We help secure it. All right. I love this solution here. We're helping people get into new homes, helping them get into safer vehicles, helping them get access to business credit and funding. Speaking of, let's go ahead and tackle this because this is another issue that we saw is the epidemic that 46% of all small business owners are using their personal credit cards to run their business. Now you already know it's a recipe for disaster because you max out that credit card, your score takes a dive, you can't borrow any more money, you can't go out and get a mortgage, you can't do anything. It locks you up. So the secret to building a successful business is business credit. Learn how to separate your personal credit from your business. Learn how to scale and grow without affecting your score. Structure your business for maximum funding. Get vehicles and property in your business name. This is the new game. Okay. Business credit is the new wave. This is what we haven't been taught in school. We haven't been taught about credit in school. Definitely not teaching business credit. But now you get these three components in one suite of services. Listen, you get the AI credit software, a full year. I love that, man. We understand that building business credit is still impactful to make sure that you're taking care of your personal credit. I have people that look at this all the time. Matter of fact, the last person that looked at this, they said, listen, you include personal credit. I seen someone charge double that and they don't include personal credit. That's the Novae advantage. Okay. So you get that for a full year. You get the online business suite and mentorship. Come on, y'all. Mentorship is key because nobody's born knowing how to do this. So now we say, here, we'll take your hand and we'll lead you. We'll teach you how to fish. That way you can eat for a lifetime. I had somebody say, hey, look, can somebody just do it for me? Listen, you probably can't afford someone to do it for you. I guarantee you. Listen, that's going to be a CFO is what you need. Okay. You need a chief financial officer. And to sign somebody up as a chief financial officer, you're going to have to give them at least 80 grand a year off the top. All right. Now you have somebody that can sign for your business, open accounts in your business name that's authorized to do all these things. That's expensive. And then guess what? At the end of the day, if you start a new business, you're going to have to hire them again because you don't know how to do it yourself. So what we do is we walk you through this thing. It's a $10,000 value because you get this person for a full year. All right. A full year just walking you through certified business credit advisor, helping you get to the promised land, which is 50,000 in funding. Okay. If you could use 50K for your business right now, somebody drop 50K in the comment section. 50K in the comment section. And I do mean cash. Go ahead and drop the cash in there so I can grab it out the comment section. Right. So We want to keep working with you until you get at least 50K for your business because we are experts at structuring this. We do credit card stacking, business loan hybrids. We have all kinds of technology and resources. We even have institutions that only work with us to get people funded. That's key. They're close to the public. All right. So all of this over 60,000 in value, four tiers of building a business credit, only 24.95 one time. Come on now, give it up for this amazing product. It's one of my favorite products because it touches so many different things. But if you don't have the 24.95 right now, it's okay because we have financing that's available for you. Okay, you just do a one-time down payment, then you make your monthly payments and you're in. And guess what? We can do it without a credit check. Wow. So now we get in funding. So we're talking about making sure that we're able to get you access to the money. So whether it's personal loans like term loans, student loans, automobile financing, or refinancing, or any large purchase, or over to business funding where you just need money for your startup, you need unsecured lines of credit, a business cash advance, or even commercial lines of credit and SBA loans, we got you covered. I mean, look at these businesses that we're able to help get funded. Just some quick testimonials here. Look at this $304,000 for this barber and automotive shop. That's just phenomenal. Fast fintech process, approving scores as low as 550, and there's no application fee. You have absolutely nothing to lose by getting with the person that invited you here and just saying, hey, let me apply for business funding just to see where I'm at. If my credit score isn't where it needs to be, well, now I can come back to you and you can help me get my credit score to where it needs to be. And if it is already where it needs to be, well, look, I'm in the money, right? So now I'm gonna come back to you and get set up for business credit, right? So I can learn how to structure my business and get even more money. That's what we in. We in the credit and money business. That's what we do, y'all. All right. So we have an A+ rating with that Better Business Bureau. That just means we don't leave any customers behind, y'all. Real people, real results. You can just Google us and you'll see testimonials all over the place. I am a testimonial. Okay. I got started in December, and by April, I had the keys to our new house, y'all. That's amazing to me. 5 months of credit services took me from apartment living where you can hear people snoring in the apartment next door, just, oh man, if you ever lived in an apartment, you know what I'm talking about. If you live in an apartment right now and you want to be a homeowner, listen, you need this program. This is going to get you started. And guess what? You could be an affiliate and part of the program comes with it. So you can get your credit worked on while you're making money. Listen, it's a great thing. Let me introduce y'all to this affiliate marketing. Somebody drop my favorite phrase in the comment section for me. If you know what it is, go ahead and drop it in the comment section. If you don't know what it is, it's show me the money. Show me the money. And that's what I'm gonna do here for you. This affiliate marketing, this is a new era of entrepreneurship, y'all. A new era. No longer do you have to spend tens of thousands of dollars brick and mortar businesses, right? All you have to do is get with the right partnership with the company and be able to offer their products for a commission. That's it. That's what we're doing now. All right. So if you knew at least 5 people that can benefit from any one of these services, I say you're a pretty good candidate for this thing we call affiliate marketing. Let me show you how it works. All right. So you're going to earn money by referring people to a website. You're going to set your own hours. You're going to work from anywhere. We just went on this cruise and I was still working from the Bahamas. Okay. Still sending out links from the Bahamas. That's just what we do. Companies like Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, they pay millions per year in commissions. But see, with Novae, instead of earning a few cents to a few dollars per sale, we'll pay you up to thousands of dollars per sale. Okay, it's 10 ways to get paid. I love that part. 10 ways to get paid. Somebody drop that in the comment section. 10 ways to get paid. How many ways is it to get paid at your job? I'll wait. Okay. And again, I'm not knocking jobs, but if you want extraordinary results, you can't do it with ordinary income. You can't do it the way everybody else is doing it, or you're going to live the same lifestyle that everybody else is living. You got to do something different. So you start as an affiliate. You can become a consultant here. Check out the full training platforms that we have to help you become a true professional. Everybody wants to be a professional no matter what they're doing. You want to be that person that everybody goes to because they respect your craft, because you know what you're talking about. We teach you how to talk this financial lingo. All right. You learn at your own pace. Free mobile app that we have here. You see it right here. You just click the little box and you can send whatever service it is to whoever needs it. We got it right here for you. Now let's get to the money here. So let's say you have 5 Credit Life customers that you earn $100 per customer. All right. $100 each. That's 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, $500 just by signing up 5 people. Plus, you unlock what's called a 5 and free bonus. Remember, I told you about this. So you don't have to feel like you're going to be signing up for some monthly membership this whole time. Listen, just get your 5 people in. Now you don't pay your next month fee. And as long as they keep being on the program, you don't have to pay. Okay. So that's amazing. That's called residual benefits. Okay. So you did something right one time and you keep getting the benefit for it every month. I love it. Now, let's talk about debt help. So let's say you helped somebody that was $25,000 in debt. You would earn 1% of that. And that's usually around the average that we notice is about $250 per debt help client. And guess what? They didn't pay anything up front. You still got paid. That's fintech, baby. All right. $500 per business credit referral. They can get started for no money down if they do get approved for financing. They still got started. You still got paid. And they didn't pay anything out of pocket down. That's fintech. Imagine earning $500 for every entrepreneur that says yes to our $50,000 guarantee. Remember when you put 50K in the chat? Okay. Imagine the entrepreneur says yes, you make $500 the next week, 1 sale per week. That's an extra $2,000. Wow. Okay. Imagine earning $20,000 helping someone with a $500,000 loan. You earn up to 4% of the funding. Okay. What if it was only a $50,000 loan? You earn $2,000 just by helping somebody with the funding. Okay. It could be less because the commissions vary depending on the loan and the lender. But listen, if someone's going to get paid, it might as well be me. Okay. If someone's going to get paid, it might as well be me. Somebody's thinking that right now in their head. And I want you to really internalize that. But let's talk about this co-brand program. All right. So if you already have a financial brand, perfect. We don't want you to lose that. We're going to put your logo right beside the Novae logo and build the whole entire website for you. Okay. You help somebody get started on that, you make $900. So every financial influencer that you know needs to be on this program. All right. Now, what about the white label program? That means that we take our logo off completely and all they see is your logo. All right. So that is another amazing program. It comes with lead magnets, capture pages, bio. It's a full out website worth at least $10,000 itself. So, we want to make sure that we help you and you earn $3,000 per white label. It's incredible. So if you want to start off on the pro level, remember I said you can start basic or pro. If you go pro, you can build a team. Okay. Go pro, build a team. I'm going to show you what it means. You help 3 affiliates get 2 customers and help them do the same. Watch what happens to your income. Okay. Help 3 pro people come on board. They want to build residual income just like you. They want to work from home just like you. They want to help build not only their credit, but the credit of their community and build it up so that now we're purchasing our community. Now we've got businesses thriving all because of something that you started. See, it's bigger than just the income. It's about the mission and what we're here to do. Okay. So you tell us to enough people, 3 people will get started with you. Okay. They help 2 customers. Like say they help 2 people with their credit. You unlock $300. Okay. That's nice. Right. So now that you have those 3 people on board, you're starting to earn $50 a month. Now, don't despise small beginnings because to earn $50 passively in your bank account, you have to have 5 figures in it. So you basically now have a 5 figure business because you're earning passive income, just like you would if you had an interest bearing account that was giving you $50 a month. Okay. So now you've earned $350. That's not bad. That's really good. You've done something great, but hey, it gets better. Let me tell you, because now those 3 people go on, they get their 3. Listen, they get their 2 customers each. You just unlocked $1,400 in bonuses, and your residual went up to $250 per month. That's $1,000 every 4 months. Can you imagine? Just money coming in on the 15th. boom, 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 all because you got this whole train started. Now you earn $1,700. And it just keeps going down the line, y'all. If this keeps duplicating in the way that it does, you're sitting here just shy of $500,000 after 8 months. All right. Now let's say, this is a great example, but let's just say you're only able to do 10% of this. Would you still be excited about 40,000? What if you only did 1%? Would you be excited with $4,700 after 8 months? I would be. That's more than a lot of people are able to earn on the side just working a part-time job. Okay. And with this, you're only putting in a few extra hours per week on top of what you're doing right now. Plus, we have luxury car bonuses. We have a house bonus. So Novae is footing the bill for your play toys, right? Novae is also footing the bill for your shelter as well. What could you do with a $3,000 mortgage payment? Just think about that, right? The adventure begins, y'all. We want to network and train with 6 and 7 figure earners. We have bilingual events. We have yacht parties. Okay, I know y'all seen me on the yacht. Y'all seen some of your favorite affiliates out there on the yacht and on the cruise that we went on. We have leaderboard competitions. Listen, this is a really amazing thing, and we have this really awesome event coming up celebrating our 10 years being in business. It's the Novae World and the Kogu Awards here. February 17th and 18th. You definitely want to join, get your tickets, and let's go, let's grow. Everybody's going to be looking really sharp. And now it's time to join the movement. It's really that easy. You saw some value, right? You saw something you probably needed. And you say, you know what? I know other people that can benefit too. Let me go ahead and join as an affiliate and help some people out so I can make extra income so I can solve some of these issues that I'm having financially. Maybe you're just trying to get out of credit card debt, a few extra $100 a month of commissions. Now you're soaring. You're able to get out of credit card debt. Maybe you just want to put away some money for retirement because you don't really have a plan right now. Well, this right here is how you do it. All right. But I really want to say you want to join on the pro level. It gives you the most benefits. It includes the AI technology. All right. So you're able to just point and click and it generates the dispute letters for you so beautifully. Like these are cleverly crafted using machine learning. So whatever worked for people that have a similar creditor on your credit report, this thing knows to give you that same exact dispute reason. It's amazing, right? So you get that automatically included, $139 value. Plus, you get paid the residual bonuses, the team overrides, the luxury car bonus. You can qualify for that. And don't forget, 5 and free. So I don't even want you to look at the monthly as a long-term commitment. Okay. What if it took you, 3 months to get that? Okay. Well, now you don't have a monthly fee anymore. You're good to go. You made all the money back from your business because 5 credit likes enrollment, that's $500 you just made. Okay. Or you can enroll other affiliates on your same level. And you don't have to keep getting 5 new people as long as the same people rebuild the next month. You don't have to replace that person. So I love that fact too. And guess what, y'all? It's all a tax write-off. All right. So Uncle Sam is giving you incentive to start a business. How you gonna leave Uncle Sam hanging and say that the government don't care about nobody? Okay, you're not taking advantage of it. Let's look at some quick testimonials and then we're out of here, y'all. Shout out to Kim Connor out of Colorado. She said she was able to save her home from foreclosure. Miss Johanna Quintero, she said, hey, she just followed the system to be one of the top earners in the company. Mr. Jamal Flono says, hey, I was able to quit my job, improve my credit, and now I travel more than when I worked at an airline. Mr. Earl Fambro said, hey, after 6 months, we became homeowners. Now we have a clear vision. Miss Keisha Palmer out of Georgia, she says, listen, I'm already a 6 figure earner in the international real estate game. But I looked at this and said, look, I can help even more people and close more deals. And Mr. Wilford Azario, he already is in the telecommunications and insurance agency. He actually owns an insurance agency. He saw a look at this and he was like, man, look, all these different products, I could definitely help more people and increase my portfolio. And he's a member as well. Listen, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to really see that Novae is changing the game for thousands of people all across this country, but we want to make it to where we're affecting millions of people. And that's why we need people just like you, influencers just like you, business and entrepreneurial people and minded people just like you to help us on our mission. So right now you're one of three kinds of people. Okay. Maybe you found the service that you need. Love it. Get back with the person, let them know, hey, look, I need help with my credit. I need help getting out of this debt. Hey, I need you to file my taxes because the last year I didn't really get what I thought I should, and we can help you out. Or maybe you said, hey, I want a financial services business. I want to look, I want to do what you're doing. I know a lot of people and I can make some money on the side too, make some residual income, make money in my sleep. Let's go. Or maybe you're saying, look, I'm still considering, but at least I can share your information on social media. Give me something that I can post. And whoever brought you here tonight, they'll be able to give you something that you can post on your social media so you can take advantage of it. Just text one, two, or three to the person that brought you in. I'm going to show you how to enroll real quick. As an affiliate, you'll go to this website, click on entrepreneurship. You'll see affiliate program, or maybe they'll send you directly to a page like this where you can select pro or basic. Get in where you fit in. Don't despise small beginnings. Okay. Even I started off as a basic, right? And now I can't remember the last time I had to pay my membership. Okay. So now you want to enter in your information and your payment details, just like online shopping, right? And after that, we'll be on the inside to say, welcome to Novae in the financial future that you truly deserve. All right. My name is Jerry Goins. It's been an honor to be able to present this information to you tonight. I hope you make a great decision and I hope that you join us and we'll see you on the next conference call on the inside where we're training you exactly how to be a professional financial influencer. And we really do appreciate you. Have a great night.